Switching to renewable energy the smart way with our UK Corporate Power Purchase Agreement. With our UK Corporate Power Purchase Agreement, or CPPA, large businesses can partner directly with renewable energy generators to switch to fully traceable UK wind or solar energy without having to install their own generation assets. The process is simple. Step 1. Negotiation. We'll refer you to our renewable energy generation partner to discuss the type of asset to best suit your requirements and agree the terms of your CPPA, including your volume requirements, its price, the length of your contract, and any associated regos. Then, we'll discuss our Flex Innovate contract, which regulates non-commodity costs and any energy you might consume outside of your CPPA. Step 2. Energy transfer. The generator will confirm the amount of energy and associated regos generated, which will then be allocated to you. Step 3. Billing. You will receive 2 monthly invoices. One from the generator, charging you for the cost of energy and associated regos, and one from us, charging you for non-commodity costs and any energy you consumed outside your CPPA. At the end of each compliance period, we will also invoice you for any available top-up regos. Step 4. Reporting. You'll receive monthly reports with valuable insights on how much energy you bought through your CPPA and Flex Innovate contract. You can use this information to optimize your operations, promote your green credentials, and report zero emissions in your Scope 2 reporting. To know more about how our UK CPPA could support you in the net zero transition, get in touch with our team.